In this guide, I'll walk you through how to link your Fortnite account to your Epic Games account, allowing cross-progression across all gaming platforms. First, open any web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Epic Games Login, and select the official Epic Games login page from the top results. Once there, sign into your Epic Games account using your email address or any of the available platform login options. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand sidebar, click on Account Settings, and then select Linked Accounts. In this section, you'll see a list of platforms that you can connect to your Fortnite account. For this example, we'll use PlayStation Network, but you can choose any platform you prefer. Click on the platform you want to link, and you'll be asked to confirm. Select Continue. Depending on your choice, you may be redirected to that platform's website to sign in. Follow the prompts, confirm the connection by selecting Yes and Continue, and once completed, you'll see a confirmation that your account is successfully linked. Click Done to finish. You can repeat this process to link additional platforms if needed. Once everything is connected, your Fortnite progress will sync across all linked devices. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.